Oh yes, siree. It's the 2600 from ATARI. It's the video system with classics galore, from Space Invaders to cars that roar. A real hip joystick controls the screen. Solaris is hot and Midnight Magic's mean. And one more thing, it's got a special low price, under 50 bucks. 50 bucks? Now isn't that nice? The club is back, oh yes, siree. It's the 2600 from ATARI.
Hiya, welcome to my channel. Today, I've been waiting for this about a week or so now. It's the ATARI 2600 Junior with a couple of games. I bought it off eBay for £30, which is a bargain. So let's open it, have a look at it and see what she's like. Right then, so we've got Space Invaders. Pretty cool, don't know why I haven't got that one up. Let's we have combat with 5 games on it. Pretty cool. What's this? Can't squeeze this through here. So we have the charger. Like a brand new one. Brand new RF cable. So all this I only paid £30 for, which is absolutely unbelievable. Wow. We have a cheater 125 plus. Super cool. And here it is. I'll get there. Oh wow, it's like new. And we have the ATARI 2600 Junior. This is like new. So all this for £30. Unbelievable. So I'm liking the cheater. That can be used for the Commodore 64s. So all that for 30 quid. You can't go wrong. So what I'll do is I'll set it all up and put a game on and see how it plays. Super excited. So I'll catch you in a more. So I've got it all plugged up with Space Invaders. Oh god, I still remember this game when I was a kid. I just love this game. Oh. Let's see if we can get a mothership. Well, I'm missing a lot, I know for that for a fact. Here we are. Missed it, and I'm dead. 345 points. That's super. Alright then, I'm going to call it a day and carry on playing my Space Invaders. Oh, and this just come through the post, which I ordered. Star Wars, which is pretty cool. So I'll be playing that. Star Wars and the Atari 2600. So yeah, thanks for watching you guys, and I'll catch y'all later. Ciao for now.